Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent a set of 3 little silicone snack containers. Now these are really nice because you can just put little snacks in there and separate it out. And on the top, you actually have a little area that you can put a piece of silverware and it will just nice and snap in there. Now the silverware doesn't come with it, so you will have to have your own silverware, but it's nice that it does have that little buckle right there just to be able to add in there. So that way your kids can easily grab it or you can grab it. Now these are completely silicone. So they are squishy, they can be moved around, can be put in the freezer, dishwasher, all the things. And you won't have to worry about it rusting or anything like that, having any weird smells because of it's not plastic. Now I'm gonna bring you in here close so you can take a look at the silicone and we'll put a couple little pieces of food in there. So here is the containers up close. Said you've got it nice and squishy, but yet solid all the way around to be able to hold different items. Whether it's a liquid or a solid, will easily hold in different items. And you kind of have a little bit of a portion amount that you can put in there. So you've got just enough for a nice little snack. Maybe add in a few carrots and some broccoli on the other side. And then you've got it all together. You just simply put on the lid and it snaps right down. Get it in your lunchbox and you are ready to go. Everything is all in here now. It holds on really nice. It's a cute little container that'll hold a variety of different things.